Nama. M.Rafli.S NPM. 22,411,158 Service pricing methods. Definition and characteristics of service pricing. What is service pricing? Determining the price that consumers must pay for services provided. Service characteristics that affect pricing. Intangibility. Services cannot be touched, so value is difficult to measure objectively. Inseparability. Production and consumption of services occur simultaneously. Variability. The quality of services can vary depending on who provides them. Perishability. Services cannot be stored or inventoried for future use. Purpose of service pricing. Attracting new customers. Price can be a factor in attracting potential customers. Maximizing profits. Optimal pricing helps companies achieve desired profits. Regulating demand. Using price to regulate the level of demand, especially when demand is high or low. Maintaining market position. Pricing in accordance with the market helps maintain a competitive position. Internal factors that affect service pricing. Fixed and variable costs. Analysis of direct costs such as labor, materials, and technology used. Target profit margin. The profit target the company wants to achieve. Capacity and resources. The company's capacity to serve customers can affect the price structure. Brand positioning. How the brand is positioned in the market determines the price, e.g., premium prices for brands that focus on high quality. External factors affecting service pricing. Market demand. Customer response to price changes, elasticity of demand. Competitor pricing. Adjusting prices based on competitor price analysis to stay competitive. Economic conditions. The effect of inflation, recession, or economic growth on customer purchasing power. Government regulation. Tax regulations are policies that can affect the price of services. Cost-based pricing methods. Cost plus pricing, cost plus profit. Adding a certain profit margin to the cost of production. Formula. Price equals production cost plus markup. Advantages. Simple, transparent. Disadvantages. Does not consider demand or competitors. Markup pricing. Setting a certain additional percentage of costs to determine price. Break-even pricing. Calculating the price at which total revenue equals total costs, neither profit nor loss. Market-based pricing methods. Skimming pricing. Starting with a high price to maximize profits in the beginning, then lowering the price. Used for new or innovative services. Example. The latest technology consulting services. Penetration pricing. Setting a low price to attract a large number of customers, usually in the early stages of launch. Appropriate for highly price-sensitive markets. Competitive pricing. Adjusting prices based on competitors' prices. This strategy is appropriate for established markets with many players. Geographical pricing. Setting different prices depending on the customer's location. For example, services in urban areas may be more expensive than in rural areas. Value-based pricing methods. Value-based pricing. Setting prices based on customers' perceptions of value, not just competitors' costs or prices. Example. Training services that offer leading certifications. Dynamic pricing. Adjusting prices based on real-time demand, such as airline ticket prices. Psychological pricing. Using a specific number to create the perception of a lower price, such as Rp 999,000 instead of Rp 1 million. Case study. Pricing strategies in various industries. Hospitality industry. Explain seasonal pricing strategies for hotels and package providers. Pricing based on location, season, and additional services. Online transportation industry. Example. Uber or Gojek, which implement dynamic pricing depending on demand. How such pricing can maximize profits when demand is high. Business consulting services. Pricing based on consultation duration, level of expertise, and project complexity. Challenges and solutions in pricing services. Challenges. Assessing the value of intangible services. Facing fierce price competition. Unstable demand fluctuations. Solutions. Conducting surveys to understand customer perceived value. Offering package prices to increase perceived value. Using price discrimination for different customers, discounts for loyalty, special prices for new customers. Practical tips in determining service prices. In-depth market research. Use data from surveys, focus groups, and competitor analysis. Customer segmentation. Set prices based on customer segmentation. Periodic price evaluation and revision. Keeping up with changing market conditions. Value-added offers. Provide additional services to increase the perception of value. Conclusion and recommendation summary. Pricing services requires a balanced approach between cost, perceived value, and market conditions. Recommendation. Combine multiple methods and strategies to achieve profitable and competitive pricing. The importance of flexibility. Stay open to changing prices according to market dynamics.